Hi everyone, welcome to Legally Yours. I'm here again with the wonderful Sam Flynn from Josef, and in this video I was really keen to cover off the actual benefits of having your own chatbot like Josef, and also who actually Josef is for. So thanks so much, Sam, for joining me again. Okay, so can you talk me through perhaps even some real case studies of who's utilised Josef and the improvements or the benefits that they've actually seen?
Sure. So we work across the legal industry. So
Yes.
we work with top tier commercial global firms like Herbert Smith Freehills, Minter Ellison, a number of others, Wilson Sonsini in the United States, but all the way across the legal industry. So with sole practitioners, amazing new law firms like Hive Legal, amazing new law organizations like Legally Yours. So really across the spectrum.
Yes.
In terms of the benefits that the law firms and legal organizations we work with are seeing, again, quite broad, but there's a few really key ones that we're seeing come out of this. That is obviously the efficiency gains, so saving time on repetitive, less complex work is a huge one, increasing margins on that kind of work. Allowing lawyers and legal professionals to focus on the things that matter to them rather than doing that grunt work, focusing on the lawyer-client relationship or the more complex, higher value work. Is another really big one. The one that resonates with me the most, I think, though, is improving the client experience. In other industries for decades now, they've really focused on how do we make this client experience smooth and even beautiful. That's not something we focused on in the legal industry until quite recently. And it's something that not a lot of people think of when they think of legal tech, but it's something that we are seeing a lot of with our clients, with the law firms we work with, that they're seeing with their clients.
Yeah, beautiful. And I know we've talked about this, but you've actually got an example that you'd like to go through in terms of an employment.
Sure. So I mean, there's lots of examples, but we were talking before about one that's really stood out to me. So this is a commercial firm that is working on automating employment agreements and agreements related to the employment area of law. The process used to look like HR manager picks up the phone or sends an email to the partner. A time is arranged for them to speak or meet to get instructions to create this particular piece of work. Partner then goes and briefs junior lawyer or paralegal to do the first draft. First draft is sent to partner for review, sent back. Second iteration, then sent back to the client. Now that process looks like HR manager has a 2-minute conversation with a bot. First draft lands in the partner's inbox. So I think that's a really good example of how you not only get the efficiency gains and saving time, but you also improve that client experience. That client doesn't want a lengthy, drawn-out process. They don't want to meet if they don't have to. And so, I think that's a great example of the kinds of benefits you can get from Josef.
Absolutely, I really love it. And I know from a personal perspective with us using our own Josephine, what it's enabled us to do is, like you say, get really real about, the things that we need to be doing. It's enabled us to scale as well, because all of a sudden, we've built a business on relationships and a personal kind of interaction with our community. And Josephine still allows us to have that on the platform, so people feel they're given that care and that interaction.
Absolutely.
And it was so easy and beautiful to use. So thank you. What you have created is so important, and it's, as you say, it's a beautiful experience. It's really going to help that lawyer-client relationship, and just so pleased to have it. So well done, congratulations.
Thanks, Karen.
And so if you're a firm out there, whether you're a sole practitioner or a small firm or a large tier firm, or you've got a legal services organisation, you can actually have your own chatbot. So head to Josef with an F on the end, and you can find out more there, or you can go to our channel profile partnership page and you can connect with Sam there. So thank you so much for watching, and thanks for joining us, Sam.
Thanks, Karen.
Thank you.